Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing the Rocket R58 Espresso machine. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. It's a triple basket, I think, and I may have put too much coffee in it. But let's see. I'm not sure how much the customer usually puts in their triple basket. I'm not used to really using triple baskets, but good pump pressure. There it starts to flow, but you know, it's not really going to the center. Once again, I would say that's related to how much coffee I put in. But anyways, the thing we fixed on the machine was the switch behind the lever. Did get really good crema though. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.